Hello my friends, this is Chris and welcome to my channel. Today I have another amazing lighter for you. This is from the new line Zippo Premium that started just a couple of years now. So this line, the design flows all around the lighter. I think they call it 540 because the only thing that don't cover is the bottom. These are 2021, we can see from the 21 here. And what an amazing detail on this one. We can see the crown, the skulls, we can see the dice, roses, skeleton hand there, over here. Not a bad sound either. So for you that you're new to the channel, we're gonna be giving $100 in Zippo merch when we reach 1,000 subscribers. So that's a big reason for you to subscribe. Also smash the like button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And right now we're gonna show you how this baby looks under the black light. So I have a black light for you. Let me move a little bit my camera. Let's see, because it's not very easy. Also, another thing, if you don't know about these lighters, they kind of charge under the black light to glow under. I'm gonna take it out of the case. You see it's dark in the back now. We put it under the black light for a little bit. Bring it out. Wow, huh? Let's see if we can make those roses pop a little bit. Pretty cool, huh? If you want to be the talk among your friends, this is the lighter to have. Okay, let's see here now. Wow. We can see the red roses is good. Let's see if we can try to leave it for a little bit longer here and bring it back out. There you go. You can see even the thing changing when it gets discharged. Thank you for watching. God bless everybody. Keep in touch for the next amazing video coming up. Thank you for staying for the end of this video.